Today I wanted to talk about the topic of urinary frequency, and this can be defined as the need to urinate many times during the course of the day. And this may be a normal amount of urine or a less than normal amount for that person. And this can be problematic for some, especially if they have an active lifestyle and they're constantly searching for the next restroom to go to. It can be a bothersome, annoying, and embarrassing problem. Fortunately, there are many health conditions that can cause an increase in urinary frequency. And one of these is overactive bladder. That is basically an abnormal bladder function, and it causes the person to have an urge to urinate. They have to urinate many times over the course of the day. And it can happen at nighttime also. Another condition that can cause increased urinary frequency is diabetes, because the body tries to regulate the amount of sugar it has inside. And it does that by getting rid of the extra sugar in the kidneys. The excess sugar ends up in the kidneys and then into the bladder, and it causes a person to have to urinate much more often. Another condition that can cause increase in urinary frequency is congestive heart failure. And as the body tries to get rid of the excess fluid that it has on board, any excess, it will try to reduce through the kidneys and then into the bladder, and then a person also will have to eliminate urine more often over the course of the day. An unknown cause of urinate frequency that a lot don't think about, if a person is okay during the daytime but they get up very often during the nighttime, can be sleep apnea. They stop breathing at night, or they have a low level of oxygen, and this is what wakes them up. And then when they wake, they realize they have the urge to urinate. Actually, the sleep apnea that's waking them up, and not the urge to urinate. So sometimes when a person comes into the clinic, we are very suspicious that they may have sleep apnea if they're only having the urinary frequency at nighttime. So sometimes we can actually diagnose patients with unknown health conditions that they have when they come in for urinary frequency. Jefferson Surgical Clinic, the surgeons you choose.